Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change call screen theme. Let's get started. In order to know what this looks like, we need to head over right here to our settings. So on your settings right here, you need to have a screen card or actually a SIM card in order to actually make this possible. Because if you don't have that, you won't have the phone option. So for that, scroll down until you can see the option right here for phone. So here's phone right here. So click on phone. And in here, you can see this option for incoming calls. So what you can do is you can head over and click on this incoming calls, and you can choose if you want to display it as a banner or as a full screen. So it will apply to your phone, FaceTime, and other apps that you use to receive calls. So you can choose which one actually is for you or what actually fits you. And then we can also announce our calls right here. When you click on announce calls, you can make this announce always, never, headphones on car, or headphones only. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.